I'm Helen Olivia from Heart and Soul Flow Yoga, and it's an absolute joy to be back here in Azulfit and guiding you through a yin practice today.
Hello, my name is Lindsey and welcome to this yin yoga class.
Give yourself a nice big squeeze, arms wrapped round, hug the knees in and just rock a little on the low back.
The right shin. And then allow the whole of the back of the body to sink down, the lower back, middle of the back and the shoulders to soften and feel heavy.
Come up. I'm actually going to take a little cosmic egg. So what's a cosmic egg, Helen? Let's dive in. So, cliche but true, we always have the answers that we need within us. We just need to cultivate practices that bring us back into trust, self-trust.
Transition onto one side, taking a few breaths here. Resisting the urge to move too quickly and then rubbing your palms together. Feeling an energy that we call chi within this practice. And gently bring your hands over your eyes, over your ears. Bring your hands to your shoulders, rub your shoulders, give yourself some love.
Bridging my heart to yours, it is an absolute honor and privilege to be able to guide you in this exquisite sacred space that has been built here at Azulfit.
May you have peace in your minds, peace upon your words, and peace in your hearts. Hari Om Tat Sat. Namaste.